Forests convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, which is vital for the world's ecosystems.
Everyone knows that these forests, which straddle the equator in a great belt around the world, are home to some of the most remarkable and precious animal and plant life on our planet. Crucial role they play in cooling and cleaning the world's atmosphere and providing fresh water and rainfall.
So DK was DOA, yeah, I know what you here for now. Was I united, hold out. Now don't you question me, I see you in your pipe dreams. Whether or not you know it's true, yo, who they dictate to. That shit must hurt real bad, picking what you wish you had.
Basin could transform the forest into a savanna in 30 or 40 years if the actual growth of greenhouse gas emissions continues on the same pace.
Success would literally transform the situation for our children and grandchildren and for every species on the planet. Failure, I'm afraid, is inconceivable.